Every year, the clock hits midnight. Fireworks go off. People cheer, post, hug, promise change. And some people don't. They sit quietly. They don't feel excited. They don't feel sad either. They just don't feel the need to celebrate. Psychologically, this isn't apathy. It's a different relationship with time, meaning, and emotion. First, they don't experience time as symbolic. For them, January 1st is just another day. Growth doesn't feel like something that starts at midnight. Change to them happens slowly, privately, continuously. They don't believe a calendar can reset a life. Second, they're tired of performative happiness. The pressure to be excited feels fake. The forced joy, the scripted posts, the new year, new me energy. It doesn't align with how they actually feel inside. Psychologically, these people value emotional honesty over social performance. They'd rather feel nothing than pretend something. Third, they're more reflective than reactive. While others celebrate the year ending, they're still processing it. They think about what it took from them, what it taught them, what parts of themselves they lost, and what they gained. Celebration feels premature when reflection isn't finished. Fourth, many have outgrown certain social rituals. Crowds feel loud. Small talk feels empty. They don't hate people, they're just selective now. Psychology calls this boundary refinement. They're no longer drawn to noise just because it's popular. Fifth, some are carrying emotional weight, loss, burnout, disappointment. For them, celebrating feels disconnected from reality. Not because they're negative, but because they respect what they went through. They don't want to rush past pain just to keep up with a timeline. Sixth, they don't need external permission to reset. They don't announce growth. They don't make resolutions publicly. Their resets happen on random Tuesdays, in silence, with no witnesses. Psychologically, this shows a strong internal locus of control. They change because they decide to, not because the world expects it. And finally, silence is their ritual. While others celebrate loudly, they close the year quietly. Rest is how they integrate. Stillness is how they move forward. They don't mark the end of the year with fireworks. They mark it with understanding. So if you don't celebrate New Year, there's nothing wrong with you. You're not cold. You're not broken. You're not behind. You just process life inwardly. And sometimes the most meaningful transitions don't need a countdown. They happen when no one is watching.